Expansion of an idea: the grass is always greener on the other side. The proverb "the grass is always greener on the other side" reflects human nature's tendency to think that other people's circumstances, possessions, or lives are better than our own. This saying highlights the concept of envy and the illusion of a perfect life. We often believe that if we were in someone else's position, life would be easier or more satisfying, only to realize that each situation has its own challenges. This proverb teaches us that contentment is key to happiness. We frequently compare ourselves to others, whether it's about wealth, success, relationships, or careers. We think that the person next door has it all figured out, but the truth is, they too face their own struggles. This false perception causes dissatisfaction and a constant longing for what we don't have, often leading to unhappiness. In professional life, many people look at others' success and feel envious, thinking their job or business is the key to happiness. However, the reality is that success comes with its own burdens, responsibilities, pressures, and expectations. Even the most glamorous careers or lifestyles are not free from difficulties. The greener grass is often just a well-maintained illusion. This idea also applies to relationships. A person in a relationship may envy a single friend's freedom and independence, believing they have a better life. However, they may not realize that being single has its own set of challenges, loneliness or lack of emotional support. Each situation brings its own set of advantages and challenges. Ultimately, this proverb urges us to appreciate what we have and recognize the value in our own lives. It's a reminder that happiness and fulfillment do not lie in what others have, but in learning to make the most of what we possess. Rather than chasing the illusion of greener grass, we should tend to our own garden with care, patience, and gratitude. Thanks for watching this video.